Welcome all. Topic for today's my presentation is vitamin B3, niacin. Niacin or nicotinic acid is also known as Pellegrin preventive factor of Goldberg. Chemistry. Niacin is a pyridine derivative. It has a carboxyl group. It's attached to the third carbon of pyridine. So it is chemically pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. The amide form of niacin is known as niacinamide or nicotinamide, which is active form present in the tissues. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD plus and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate NADP plus are the coenzymes of niacin, which is synthesized from the essential amino acid tryptophan. 60 milligram of tryptophan can give rise 1 milligram of niacin. Biosynthesis of niacin. Here, niacin is attached to a ribose phosphate to form a mononucleotide called nicotinamide mononucleotide. When this nicotinamide mononucleotide is attached to adenine mononucleotide and to form nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, that is NAD plus. This is a biosynthesis of niacin. Physiological or biochemical role of niacin. The coenzyme NAD plus and NADP plus are involved in a variety of oxidation production reactions. One NADH molecule is oxidized in the respiratory chain and to generate 2.5 ATPs. But NADPH is used almost exclusively for productive biosynthetic reaction. NADP is not generating ATPs. So coming to the NAD plus dependent reaction, the first enzyme is pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, which convert the pyruvate into acetyl-CoA plus carbon dioxide, that is oxidative decarboxylation. Here, NAD plus acts as a coenzyme. And alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme, which convert alpha-ketoglutarate into succinyl-CoA plus carbon dioxide. Here also the same oxidative decarboxylation occur in the citric acid cycle. And next, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme, which convert glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Beta-hydroxyacyl-CoA dehydrogenase enzyme, which convert beta-hydroxyacyl-CoA into beta-ketoacyl-CoA. Glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme, which convert glutamate into alpha-ketoglutarate. So in all these reactions, NAD plus act as a coenzyme. Then NADPH dependent reaction. NADPH dependent reaction actually are two types. One is NADPH generating reaction and then NADPH utilizing reaction. So coming to the NADPH generating reaction, mainly in hexose monophosphate shunt pathway. Here, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme is converted the glucose 6-phosphate into 6-phosphogluconolactone and 6-phosphogluconate dehydrogenase enzyme, which convert 6-phosphogluconate into 3-keto-6-phosphogluconate. Here, in both these reactions, NADPH generate examples for NADPH generating reactions. And other examples are cytoplasmic isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme and malic enzyme, which convert the malate to pyruvate. Next, NADPH utilizing reaction. Examples are ketoacyl ACP dehydrogenase enzyme, which convert beta-ketoacyl ACP into beta-hydroxyacyl ACP. HMG-CoA reductase enzyme, which convert HMG-CoA into mevalonate. Methemoglobin conversion to hemoglobin. Conversion of folate reductase into dihydrofolate, tetrahydrofolate. Then phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, which convert phenylalanine into tyrosine. All these reactions are example for the NADPH utilizing reactions. And however, some enzymes can use either NAD plus or NADP plus as coenzyme. The best example is glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme. Dietary sources of niacin. The rich natural sources are liver, yeast, whole grains, cereals, pulses like beans and peanuts, etc. Examples for moderate sources are milk, fish, eggs, and vegetables. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid. It serves as a precursor for the synthesis of diet. Deficiency manifestation. The disease called in Italian language pellagra means rough skin. The major symptoms are 3 Ds: dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. If it is not treated, may rarely lead to death. That is fourth. The major manifestation of dermatitis are bright red erythema occurs, especially in the feet, ankles, and face. Increased pigmentation around the neck is known as Castle's necklace. Diarrhea may be lead to the weight loss, nausea, and vomiting. Dementia includes delirium, irritability, inability to concentrate, and poor memory, ataxia, etc. Therapeutic uses of niacin. Administration of niacin in pharmacological doses, that is 2 to 4 gram per day. Actually, it is a 200 times than RTA, recommended dietary allowance. Result in a number of biochemical effects in the body, but these effects are not related to its function as a vitamin, but most of them are believed to be due to the influence of niacin on cyclic AMP levels. Niacin inhibits lipolysis in adipose tissue and reduces the circulatory free fatty acid. Hence, triacylglycerol synthesis also decreased. So, the serum level of LDL, low density lipoprotein, also known as bad cholesterol, VLDL, very low density lipoprotein, triglycerides, and total cholesterol levels are lower. Hence, niacin is used in the treatment of hyperlipoproteinemia condition. These are my references. Thank you.